All right, everybody, we have the Mazda Speed 3 in here. Eli's whip.
Overview of this. So we got high pressure fuel pump internals. We got the 3-inch short ram intake from Sure Motorsports that goes back to a turbo inlet pipe. We have the Turbo Smart dual port blow off valve that has vent to atmosphere or full recirc. I run it on full recirc just because it tends to run better on the stratified tune. It has the upgraded intercooler from CorkSport with Sure Motorsport intercooler piping, high flow catted downpipe, resonator delete, and aftermarket muffler. Hose ran through here for the CorkSport boost gauge. It has the rear motor mount, coils from, they're just springs actually, just lowering springs, I believe from CorkSport as well. It was lowered before me as well as the strut bar here. So other than that, custom stratified tune, makes around 15-16 psi, which is pretty much stock, but it just tends to run really well. If I run it on stage 3, it has everything for stage 3, but it always throws a code for insufficient fuel fund, so I just run it on the stratified tune. It tends to run best. So
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Some badass Mazda.
Hell yeah, custom made these, which are nice. Has the
The headlights. Yep.
So I will show you that. I lock them.
Ooh.
Turn, and then unlock it. It'll just do it once, but yeah.
That's sick,
and then the LED for the sequentials are actually also a daytime running light.
Yep.
So when the e-brake is down, they're just a blue or white, I guess, LED.
That's sick.
Yeah.
That's a wicked speed. Definitely the best one in town.
Hell yeah.
Definitely.
Try.
Getting this thing jacked up so we can put that CorkSport products on. Squeak, squeak.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Alright, we're going to do a little CorkSport install of their Mazda Speed 3 skid plates today. Easy peasy. We're going to get her done. We're going to take the old one off, put the new one on. Let's get to it. Right now Eli is just removing all the bolts for the stock skid plate you guys can see there.
I still can see part of the wrap under here.
Can ya?
Yeah.
Oof.
Gross.
Eli's wrap, as you guys couldn't tell, didn't work out, but that is okay. Neither did mine. Neither did anybody's.
Yeah.
Rest in peace if you got a wrap.
Yeah. Sorry to hear you invested money into a wrap.
Paint yo shit next time.
Paint way better, dude.
Oh yeah. You can't beat it, man. You can't beat it.
Just cranking one out right now.
Just cranking one
Just
out.
cranking one out.
Giving her.
Oh, so back here.
We're on a mission, boys. We need an 8 mil. Oh, got a perfect one.
Nice.
It's perfect, man.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Very nice, very nice. All right. The medium-sized dong.
I think the 3/8 drivers. Yeah. It's a fucking 10.
What?
What? Those looked 8 times smaller.
This guy here is a certified mechanic, everybody.
Yeah, anybody need work done on their car? Come to me.
Sick.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck going on around here.
Mazda plastic. We're having issues, boys. It's just folding in half right now.
Safety squints.
Safety squints. That's why Eli went for that CorkSport. We don't want this Mazda-ness. Let me help you, dude.
Plastic is dumb.
Dum dum dum.
They're gonna have to drill a hole in the aluminum one though for my oil catch can.
Are you for real, dude?
I'm for real.
I think I resigned.
Fair enough. I don't blame you, dude.
Yeah. Got her?
Sheesh. Look at this.
What are we looking at?
This.
Oh, the floppy dangler?
Yeah, snapped. So it's just.
You lost that unit on the highway?
Yeah.
Tough break.
See, this is my oil catch can.
Ooh.
So.
You have it way down there.
Yeah.
So there's this catch can, everybody.
Right here.
Very nice. We'll have to do a whole rundown video and drive clips of this car so you guys get to know what Eli drives.
Rear mount. Front sway bar. Aftermarket, but the rear motor mount here is upgraded because they are known to shutter when you pull, but mine never shutters, which is very nice.
There you go, dude. You got a screw coming loose on the old frickin' front splitter.
Yeah, that was.
Thanks.
Yeah, you doinker. Oh, dude, this bolt is like fully out. What the fuck going on here?
Okay.
Update, we got 2 bolts that were stuck in the plastic here. We had to use vice grips and a ratchet. Thank you, Corey, for helping me out on that one. But we got 2 bolts out on this side, 2 on the other side, and then we'll be able to start putting in the new aluminum part.
Big time. Alrighty, what's going down?
For this part, we are putting the old one on the new one for the oil catch can drain piece, so that way I can drill a hole and then it'll be all set to go. So that's where we're going to need it. And then we'll get a drill bit, see what size that is, and go from there, and we'll be good to go.
Alright, there's our little marker right there. Gonna turn that into a hole. Well, got some oversized machinery here. Eli standing her up, making her all purty.
Yeah, just because sometimes your hands are around there, right? Drain the system. We don't want those frays.
Don't want none of that.
We don't want no cuts, dude.
No, dude.
Four bolts that we put in and put this.
Just do it. Look at this purty thing. Just look at it.
Where do these go?
All the way at the back? Where's the...
To infinity and beyond.
You don't want to admit to people that we're looking at instructions, are you?
Uh-oh. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Honk.
Are?
Because I am a fabricator. Okay.
Oh,
Even though I didn't build this, but
the hole went right through. Look at that.
It fits.
If it fits, I fits.
yeah, look at it.
Fits like ships.
Doink doink.
Dang, that's perfect.
Yep.
Let me get it up close.
Just loosely, it says. So.
Okay.
That's a nice doink.
Thanks.
I'm the camera guy now.
Once
Hi, camera guy.
What's
big
up?
enough, we're getting a fucking hoist.
Oh, yeah. At least one of those ones that you put on the floor and it jacks your car up like 2 feet in the air.
the one that JR Go has.
Yeah.
Dude, those are like only $1,500.
Shout out JR Go. He's gonna.
Yeah, they're...
Who's that?
JR Goes. He like flips cars and stuff.
On
and he's
YouTube?
Yeah.
I'll
And
give him a shout out. Watch Jared go. He's good.
Go
He's
get
alright.
him. He's aight.
Maybe he'll give us a shout out.
He's less aight than us though.
He just bought
Just
YouTube's biggest shop
Really?
for like a super cheap amount. Like it was on a bankruptcy auction or something like that.
Yeah.
And he's totally redoing like the roof, this flooring,
Oh, this is so
putting
good.
like 4 hoists. Has this big Motul balcony that he's working on. It's cool.
Dang.
What bolts go in the back
go.
here?
Look at that.
Okay.
Something the camera can actually pick up because it's not black. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
3 supplied 1-inch nylon spacers
Good
on the
shot.
top of the skid tray. Okay, so where's the hardware?
Caution. Hand tighten only. Power tools or drill may strip the skid plate.
You're lame, dude.
Think of that when you put in plastic bolts.
Ooh. Beep. Why?
Because it's not in there, dude.
Oh, well, that makes sense, dude.
Dude. Should have just put it in there.
Should've. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
There's the 1-inch nylon things.
Okay, I gotta fix this first.
1-inch nylon's pretty important, man. I wouldn't fuck around.
Dude, 1 inch, bro?
That's actually pretty weak. I'm pretty sure the Civic Rock's about a 3-inch rayon.
Damn.
So, yeah, I don't know what this Mazda's doing, but
Mazda.
sure ain't
Someone has a
Honda.
bad name. Fuck around.
Mazda Speed, man.
Like Mazda weak, man.
Honda Steez, bro.
Honda Steez. Shout out my Instagram, Speed3Steez.
Shout out, go follow.
If you want to follow the uploads of content
Mad pics of this
that
thing.
I never do. Oh, I need a washer on this bad bitch.
Are you sure about that?
One.
Not a dryer? Just a washer?
Oh, fuck off.
I got Corey to laugh.
That's my kind of joke.
There
I
we go.
know.
Eli's not a fan of them.
No?
No.
He's gonna have to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eloy.
Here, let's hear me out. Hear me out,
Eloy.
okay? You hear the jokes. Thank you. You hear the jokes.
Yeah, and then you hear them again and again
And again.
And then they're
And
explaining
again.
to you and you
And
have to
again.
live
And
then,
again.
Because I don't laugh, he thinks I don't understand. So he explains them when I know clear as day what he's meaning.
But that's part of the joke.
But it's not funny.
That is how you make a dad joke.
Dad jokes.
I
101.
am a
Do 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 do.
2,000 years later.
Uh-oh. Stop breaking stuff. Let me see the 1-inch nylon.
1-inch nylons. These are spacers. Gonna go on the top of the skid plate.
That's something else right there.
Oh, we need
Innovation.
Allen keys for them, right?
Yep.
You want to grab one of the
There they are.
For this size.
Totally. Movie magic.
Just try it.
Got him. All right.
Did they go? Yeah.
Yeah, dude. For sure. Yeah, dude.
You're good.
I like the look, bro.
Get.
More of that junk coming off the car.
Yeah, fuck that.
Fuck that junk. All right, everybody. We are all hot and bothered. It's actually not too hot in the shop, though. Eli and Corey are just about done with the CorkSport skid plate on the Speed. And let's check out what they got going. Dang, she's looking good, boys.
Right?
Looks real good. I dig that.
Safety spins. Yeah.
Safety squint. Hell yeah. Skid plate installed, Civic's kind of put back together. Good day.
It was a hella good day.
Definitely a good day.
And this bad boy. CorkSport hood scoop.
The carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre.
This is that real carbon.
Yeah, and they hand make them. So they actually, every single one is different. So if I got one and you got one the same day, they'd actually still, there'd be some type of imperfection or some type of difference.
Yeah. That's sick. I love it. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you for watching. We got to go get some groceries, get some food and water into us. And we'll be back for plenty more. Don't forget, we did start up detailing, so
Yes.
still gonna have to figure out a lot of stuff for that, but it is happening. And
Page for sure.
check out the Instagram page, Facebook page, posting lots. Until next time, guys, peace out. Subscribe for more. Peace.